Hey, what's up everyone? What's up YouTubers? It's your girl Ali Figg. Hello YouTube. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Ali Figg back at it again with another video. This is my first video on my new YouTube channel. Welcome in. So today I thought I would share with you guys, I'm just gonna share with you my top 5, what am I doing? My top 5 favorite knit and crochet pieces that I've personally made and as part of my collection. I thought this would be a great introductory video to my channel and that you get to know me through my pieces, and also I thought this would be a good milestone for me to kind of look back on in the future. I've been knitting and crocheting for about 1.5 to almost 2 years now, so I thought this would be a great reminder of how far I've come with my progress. Alright, so before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you guys leave a like and also comment below what you liked about this video, things that I can improve upon, maybe some content that you would like to see in the future from me. Also, please subscribe, it really helps my channel to grow. And without further ado, since that is all out of the way, let's get into today's video. In this bag, I have my 5 items, including this bag that I made. If you guys want to learn more about each of the items that I made, please stick around and let's get into the first item. So for the first item that I want to share with you guys, it is this beautiful, like pastel-y macrame beach tote bag that I made. It is made up of 6 colors. So to make this basket bag, I started with a rows of single crochets at the bottom here in the round, and then also attached another row of single crochets in the new color. And then for the rest of the bag, I just change colors, but I do front post, back post, double crochets all the way to the top part here. And then for the handles, I just did 2 rows of single crochets, and for the handle part I did a gap of chains and then reconnected. So that's how I made this beach tote bag. And if you guys want a tutorial on it, you guys can comment down below if you want a tutorial. I would be more than willing to make it for you guys. It is a very simple bag to make. All you need is some, strong fingers, finger strength, but all you need is like the yarn and the right size hooks to make it. But it's basically pretty simple to make. So please let me know down below if you guys would like to see a tutorial on it. So for the next project, I would like to share with you guys this sweater vest that I made. It is made out of one of those yarn cakes. For the bottom here, I just did back loop only single crochets for a couple of rows to make the bottom band. And for the majority of the piece, it's a double crochet stitch all the way to the top here where the neck meets, all the way to the straps. And then for the neckline and armholes, I did 2 rows of single crochet. This piece is also very flowy. It's very light, it's not thick at all, which if I were to make another crochet sweater vest, I would probably make it in the same material again. I would think pretty simple to make. Maybe for some people it's a little bit harder. It is also probably one of my favorite pieces that I've worn. I get a lot of compliments on it out in public. A lot of people think that it's store-bought, but actually I made it myself, which is one of the highest compliments that you can receive in the knit and crochet community, I think. But yeah, it's a pretty cool piece, and it is not the same at all on both sides, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's it for this piece. Let's move on to the next piece. This next piece that I'm going to show you is very special to me. It is very sentimental. I wore it during my undergrad graduation. What I did is just your regular chain. I made 2 rectangles first, so ignore the sleeves. From here to here is 1 rectangle, and then the back side is also a rectangle. And then what I did is stitched up the sides and then added the sleeves later, just going in rounds all the way to the end where I want the sleeve to end on my arm. And this entire piece is made up of treble crochet, and I absolutely loved how the color turned out. I think it makes it very unique looking. When I wear this type of piece that is very much of a statement piece, I usually wear like something very plain underneath, like white, to kind of make this piece stand out and be like the main character, if you will, of my entire wardrobe. Please let me know down in the comments. I would also be willing to make a new video on how I style each of these pieces. So that's it for this piece. Let's move on to piece number 4. For the next item, I made this cute little hair headband. I just do a quick little demo. It holds my hair back really well, which was surprising to me at first, but it pretty much holds everything back. So I like to put it on my head and move my hair out of the way, and it just stays on my head like this. And I usually wear it before I go to bed or after I get up in the morning to either wash my face, put a face mask on, or put makeup on, and it really does the job. Pretty simple to make. The whole band area is just single crochet back loop all the way around, and then I just attach it to the back, both sides to the back, and then I added these ears, which is this using like a simple white yarn, any white yarn will do, and do magic loop, single crochet in the round, and then add a border single crochet of the brown cinnamon color, the same as the headband, and then you just stitch them on. And it makes this cute little crochet bear headband. Now that we're done with item number 4, let's go on to item number 5, the last item. The last item that I have here is the only knit piece that I have in this collection, but it is this very beautiful bluish, turquoise-ish sweater vest. That's the back. Right, and how I made this piece is on the bottom here, I just did double rib knits all the way to this point, and then for the rest of the piece, I just did your regular knit stitch with purl stitch facing the inside of the garment. And at the top, I just decided to do a V-neck, and then the back I did a boat neck. And sometimes I wear it boat neck, sometimes I wear it on the V-neck side. It just depends on the day and what I'm feeling that day. Sometimes I go for more of a V-neck vibe, some days I go for more boat neck vibe. It just depends on that day and what I'm feeling. Yeah, I am very satisfied with the piece and how it turned out as well, because I did knit some pieces before this, but they were very like small little projects just to practice before I got to a bigger project. So this is the first garment I ever made that was knitted, and I think it turned out pretty well. It's very boxy, but I love that because it's perfect for winter months when you need a lot of fabric to like stay cozy around you. It's the end of piece 5. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see a tutorial on this bag, please leave a comment saying that you would like that in the future. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for any future videos, please leave that down in the comments. If you like my content so far and like the items that I produce on my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as I am trying to grow my channel from the ground up right now. Alright, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week. With all that said, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Alright, ciao ciao. Where's the camera?